And we all pissed because now we have to do so the cheer up, we're gonna do this. And this is how they enter the game. Number one, tell me what sorry for my voice. Tell me what's your favorite car from Street Outlaws and your season. Those are the two things. And number 3, for another big giveaway, y'all need to give me a high sub, please, you guys. But you got a little bit there and show you a little part. What's up, my stuff and this. Here we go. And the time, but I just wish we got this. This is a quick preparation, you guys. I give me one race to go. After that, we'll call this. This is a slash. Well, this and you guys, if y'all want to watch the Lunch go to Pig, he has the Lunch already. Yep. Okay. So you guys, I'm sorry for not posting because I was schooling work. I gotta do all this stuff in the year. The teacher's down that bad and it's getting off fucking nerves, you guys. Excuse my like freaking nerves. Okay. Also gotta eat it, bro. I'm gonna lose this one right here. Ooh. In the bit right here, called it. It's been your boy And-roid, because as y'all can see, I changed my YouTube name and stuff because I like Android phones. They don't phones, but later for this Christmas, I'm supposed to get a tripod, so that's when I can do console games. I was supposed to get a new smart TV or even Xbox One S. And let me know that comment if you hype. Tell me what game you hype for this year. The game that I hype for is Forza Horizon 3. It's coming out this month, you guys. So it's been a video. It's been your boy J. Peace.